Okay, so they have one door open, but that doesn't mean that some of them aren't still down here. Yeah, so like someone's getting a toolbox right now. Okay. Probably could have poisoned there too. Probably would have been smart. Should be able to get the kill on this Julie though. Just like Grandpa taught you. Okay, I got the Julie. Nice. Whatcha? Now get gutted like a pig. Dude, this execution. What is this execution, bro? Okay, they're all upstairs probably. See, now the problem with us doing this is now we basically have to defend the whole map with no defense at all because we have Johnny, Leatherface, and Sissy. So it's kind of ass, but... Oh, doing pressure valve. I have no idea where that is. That's up top. Nice. Yeah, this just takes so long to run over here. Gotcha. One hit. Okay, I don't get how those other two hits miss, but okay. Respectfully. Fix your game gun respectfully. Respectfully. Wonderful. Ooh, gotcha. Alright, he's fighting me. Oh, Leatherface, please come back. Oh, please, please, please. Punish him. Yeah, punish him for that. Punish him, punish him. Punish him. I don't know why he did that, but... Wait, they ended DC? Oh. Interesting. Yeah, that's another thing about Sissy that's like not too bad is she does have decent blood collection. It's kind of like Leatherface. I mean, Leatherface is just way better though because he has like good blood collection and he does a decent amount of damage. Sissy's pretty good at chasing and stuff, you know, and she doesn't really do that much damage, but it's alright. And then she has decent blood collection. It's not too bad. Okay, I think this person might try to come stab Grandpa. I don't know if they're going to do it right now, though, but... Damn, there's no buckets over here. Frick. Yeah, Mill is kind of ass for family. Like, it's so big and it's it's already like really difficult to play this map as family, but then also like sometimes you only get 7 blood buckets on the interior, like the main part of the map. Kind of ass. Oh shit. Nice. She's still getting detected by the poison. Dude, this game is so jank. Yeah, I keep switching to my default skins. Only problem is, oh, nice. I was gonna say I do need them to make noise. Looks like they did, so that's good. Ooh, got one already. Nice. Where'd that other one go? Oh yeah, they're right here. I was like, wait, where are they? I thought she was gonna go through quicker, but she didn't. There's a Connie over here too. Oh, you poor little thing. Where'd she go? Oh shoot, she juked me. She go this way? Oh yeah, she went this way. Shit. Oh, there she is. She came back to me. Hello.
This will help them see more clearly.
Nice, okay. And he got the Connie. Wait, they're all dead. GG lol. Wait, did he kill 3 of them? He did. GG lol. Sweet like a pig, boy. Sweet like a pig. But anyways. Oh man, oh these guys are rushing. Oh god. Okay, this is not gonna be as easy as the last game, I don't think. My hitchhiker AFK. Okay, my hitchhiker's running out of battery. Yeah, this might be Hitchhiker's first game, so... Try to come over here, see if I can do something. Oh, there's 2 of them over here. I think there's actually 3 of them over here. Okay. Ooh, got him. Insta rage quit. They were door slamming so much though, and then they insta rage quit. Ooh, he barged me. No. Yeah, go through that poison. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Yeah, work on the door while you're poisoned. Yeah. Keep doing that. Good job. What is Leland doing? Bro, Leland, what are you doing, bro? Please. Okay, I think this Leland's new. Okay, this Danny has 800 points. That's kind of bad, actually. Dude, the ultimate BM execution, bro. Oh, there's someone still down here, though. Okay, I think, did I do that? Can handle. Oh, yeah, the Danny's still down here. Oh, I poisoned him. Nice. Okay, you go that way, I go this way. Okay, he's going to my side. Or nope, he's hiding. He's just sitting there. Okay, I got the Danny. Nice, bro. Nice. Okay, all we have left is the Connie. Got you like a pig, boy. Nice. Okay, what do we do now? What do we do now? Okay, this door's open. I don't really know if I need to feed Grandpa. Oh. The checker is in the basement. Let's see, 900 points. I might be going out Jen's side? Oh, the Connie died. Okay, he got her.